Blessings to everybody we are tuning to Paradise Lifestyle JA YouTube channel. Let me ask some people bless upon yourself. The people, they have some clippings I want to share with you know. With Melissa go on with in a Smithfield, Westmoreland. You see me ask some people, say yeah man. Before me show them clippings of my people, all me ask you know if you do you know. Just subscribe and like the video. Yeah man, subscribe to the channel my people so me can update you know all the time with what go on in a Jamaica. You see me I say, as you can see already people on the screen, when you see where a lot of people host rip apart my people. You see me I say my people. So yeah man, we are jumping every video now. So this is in paradise now my people. For them man, tree, everything, zinc, everything all over my place, my viewers. A disaster man. Look at that viewers, look at that. Paradise, cool it down. Yeah man in a Smithfield, less of my people. Look. We are going to show no people which part one of JPS power plant drop down the road. Look, see there. Also, take a look on this one here now and chuck how many people. Look, chuck turnover. See the people chuck turnover in the man. Disaster man.
I hold a Jamaica. Body I use their help right now. Body I use their help.
I just look a little. You got to do what you got to do and get it done. Chucky. Everyone stop this gone. Like, gone. Hello. Like, there is no immediate steps. So I'm just looking for a friend, guys. No remaining house stop. No remaining house stops can. No, some mummy house flat over there too. And you may have to tell everybody, they want to hear it. They all want company to know. Just a clear way, so. True, man. Oh, I start going look on him. In dead left.
Right now, that blood clot.
What is it, Myra?
White.
But Andrew, my, I don't know. You can't believe it, guys.
Man, that things are going. Yeah. Atomic bomb fuck up the place.
So my people, this I end the video. You see me I say, don't forget to like and subscribe my people. So me can give you more update as soon as possible. You see me I say, peace out man.